The honorable
no,
member
the speaker has not. You are not the speaker. Stop shouting.
Senator Cherargei,
Relax. Stop.
Sifuna.
Yes.
Senator Sifuna, please.
Yes.
There is only one chair, and that chair is me. Senator Cherargei, proceed to make your comments on the petition.
Mr. Speaker, under the meaning of, as I make my comment, under the meaning of the dictionary, regime means an authoritarian regime, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, however much you shout, this is not a marketplace. You must listen to what I'm saying.
Order members. Senator Cherargei, I gave you the floor to
I'm proceeding, Mr. Speaker.
Comment on the petition.
I'm commenting.
Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, the government we have in place is God-chosen. And it is a government that is not a regime. Regime is a wrong denotation of what the regime means. It is authoritarian. Mr. Speaker, what I wanted to say on the aspect
order members.
On the aspect
Senators, kindly allow the senator to make his comments on the petition as presented by the chair.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for that protection. Mr. Speaker, what I want to say is that I agree that the issue of land is an emotive issue. And my law lecturer, Professor Tom Ojenda, will tell you in the book of conveyancing that land is an emotive issue, Mr. Speaker, because Professor Tom Ojenda, who taught me land law and conveyancing, wrote extensively about conveyancing matters in this country. Mr. Speaker, and he begins that land is an emotive issue. Every African, Mr. Speaker, especially from where I come from, if you do not have land, you are nobody. You are not a man. Apart from other qualifications, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to encourage communities to use alternative dispute resolutions. And we have established a mediation center in this republic, Mr. Speaker, especially on land matters. I'm happy, Mr. Speaker, when you look at Kimasa's quarters, in Kapsabet law courts, they have won a case against Africa Produce of 350 acres. They choose to use a judicial process, Mr. Speaker. One of the commitments of President William Ruto's government has been to ensure that no Kenyan should be evicted unlawfully. More so what we call infrastructural evictees, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to urge these communities, the church is part of the community is the church, Mr. Speaker, and therefore these prayers that has been put in place, Mr. Speaker, is very important. And